a true Bollywood enthusiast, we were thrilled to have the opportunity to visit the renowned ND Studios. Located about 90 minutes outside the city in the suburb of Karjat, this 52-acre production facility has been the backdrop for countless iconic films and TV shows. As you move forward, you will reach the Times Square. This place gives you the feel of the old bazaar in Delhi, and also in here, you have a huge set of Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, which is one of the biggest railway stations of Mumbai. From the moment I arrived, I could feel the energy and creativity pulsing through the studio grounds. Immediately transported me into the world of Indian cinema, with intricate architectural details reminiscent of the sets I had seen on the silver screen. The cafe used for shooting movies like Kick and Sanju is named as the Retro Cafe. The set of the Regal Theatre from Mumbai has been recreated at ND Studio. Times Square Flora Fountain statue is used as a backdrop while shooting the famous song Main Badhiya Tu Bhi Badhiya from the movie Sanju. The Sheesh Mahal scene in Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. The Sheesh Mahal set at ND Studios in Karjat is a breathtaking recreation of the iconic Hall of Mirrors from the Amba Fort in Jaipur. This set was built for the filming Panipat starring Arjun Kapoor and Kriti Sanon in 2019 and took 2 years to complete, with glass imported from Belgium to achieve the desired mirrored effect. The attention to detail in recreating the grandeur and opulence of the original Sheesh Mahal was highly praised, and the set has now become a popular tourist attraction. Visitors can now explore the spectacular palace set used in Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, providing an intricate detail that bring Bollywood blockbusters to life. Iconic palace set used in Manikarnika was created by the studio. The set is a replica of the original palace and features intricate details and decorations that were used in the film. A fun fact, Major Laces Lean On was filmed here. This set, known as the Blue Mahal, is a popular tourist attraction at the studio. Experiencing the Kaun Banega Crorepati set was electrifying, with captivating lighting that heightened the excitement and gave us goosebumps, a truly unforgettable experience. We also had the opportunity to see real horses here. The Shaniwar Vada set's interior at ND Studios served as the backdrop for key scenes in Panipat. A prop used for transporting queens, featured in a scene from Manikarnika. The exterior of Shaniwar Vada is featured in a significant scene in Baji Rao Mastani, an iconic structure that is featured in Panipat. Backdrop featured in Jodha Akbar and Panipat. A miniature gateway of India has been recreated for films. As I strolled through the fashion street, I came across the Dino Park can be a major attraction for the children. Here the statue of the extinct dinosaur species is being kept. Along with this, there is also a small set resembling the Chor Bazaar near to the fashion street. The highlight of the visit is the opportunity to explore the actual film sets and get a glimpse into the world of Bollywood. You can wander through the elaborate sets, take photos, and even witness live shootings of TV shows. The attention to detail in recreating these famous locations is truly impressive. Overall, the ND Film Studio offers a unique and immersive experience for Bollywood fans, allowing them to step into the shoes of their favorite stars and see the magic of filmmaking up close. While it may not be a flawless experience, it remains a popular attraction for those seeking a behind-the-scenes look at the Indian cinema industry.